process of drug discovery and drug development is important. There's a critical path. You have to be successful with step 1 before you can advance to step 2, step 3, etc. Getting the data necessary to drive the program forward to the next step is critical. And that's what we do here at Cognition Therapeutics. Cognition Therapeutics is a clinical stage biotech. Our most advanced program is in Alzheimer's disease, mild to moderate, phase 2 clinical trials with a sigma-2 receptor modulator, CT1812. Second to that, we have clinical trials in dementia with Lewy bodies and dry age-related macular degeneration. The company was founded by Susan Catalano, a neuroscientist, and Gil Rishton, a medicinal chemist. And they developed a screening funnel focused on Alzheimer's disease as their sole indication and focus. From that, hits were identified. They discovered that they were sigma-2 modulators. And from that, with lead optimization, the clinical candidate CT1812 was born. What the lab did after they had advanced CT1812 to the clinic was explored whether sigma-2 modulators could also be beneficial in patients with synucleinopathies, including Parkinson's disease and dementia with Lewy bodies. And they explored this question in the preclinical space in the neuronal culture system. And we found that sigma-2 modulators could indeed restore neuronal functioning deficits incurred by the toxic alpha-synuclein oligomers. I joined the company in 2019 and really led the way to advance CT1812 to dry age-related macular degeneration. Because we knew sigma-2 receptors were a damage sensor, and we knew the sigma-2 receptors were expressed in the retina, and there happened to be a genetic link, we undertook a preclinical effort to understand whether or not we could achieve proof of concept that a sigma-2 receptor modulator could be beneficial in dry AMD cell models. And the data were quite exciting. The team was very excited about that, and I think that's an important example of how the research we do at Cognition directly translates into what goes into the clinic. There's a lot of failures in drug discovery, drug development. You have to be perseverant. You have to have that attitude where, you know what, you're gonna fail, but you're hoping and you do the work you do for that idea of a success, making a contribution to the field, working with good people, doing good science, and hopefully creating value benefit to patients one day.